Alright, 1982 Caprice, the dash pad. I did something to fill these cracks on this one. I wasn't even going to show because I was kind of ashamed what I did, but I think it was my best bet to save this dash. I don't know if it's the best bet, we'll see. It had gaping cracks in it. It was originally wrapped when it first came to me. They had a normal foam, just used as padding, so you couldn't really see the cracks. It was a real soft, puffy foam. It wasn't glued down good. It had air bubbles and stuff in it. What I've done here is filled it in with silicone. I usually go fiberglass resin, Bondo, dash pad filler, glaze. I've tried I don't know how many different things on saving these dashes. Of course, you bring me a nice new dash, a new shell. I could have even ordered a cover lay dash and used that as a foundation, then covered it. But I chose to go this route. I'm using the closed cell foam, Landau foam. My supplier threw me off because I used to be able to get 3/16. I know it's still out there. They sent me 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch. So I'm going to do 2 layers of 1/8 inch. But the good thing about this foam is I can sand it. So all these poofy areas where the silicone is raised, I'm going to go over this with sandpaper, but carefully. And most of this you have to go one direction, keeping from catching the edge of the sandpaper on the foam. I did this, explained a lot more of this on a set of videos for another Caprice, a 4-door green and orange Caprice. I want to check those door panels out. But here we are on this dash. I figured I'd show this. Next video, I'll have this all sanded down. I'm going to do a raised design here for a Chevy bow tie. I'll show you how to do all that. Supplies you'll need is weldwood contact adhesive. You can get that smaller in a 1 gallon. That's 5 gallons there. And spray it through an air compressor with a paint gun. You can get a basic paint gun at any Home Depot, Lowe's, parts store, your automotive paint places. You'll probably pay a little more. They'll try to talk you into a better one, but you just need a cheap. I think I gave $30 for this one, so just a cheap basic spray gun. That's about it for now. I've got these. I'll show you what I do on these later. I'm still kind of coming up with this idea. Here's the original grills that were there, which I could use those and Dremel the edges down some so they'll fit in there better. And I'm thinking about using these, drilling holes in it and covering either in the suede. That's the headliner, so it should let. I'll blow the air compressor through it and see if it's like headliner material itself. If not, I'll actually use maybe black headliner material to cover this, like a speaker cloth or actual speaker cloth, grill cloth. I'm all off. Let me end the video then. So next video I'll show this mocked up, ready to cover.